Tired of educational videos that feel more like a stuffy lecture hall than an actual learning experience? You know the ones I'm talking about? A talking head, a slide deck, and a monotone voice that could put anyone to sleep? For years, this has been the go-to format, but let's be honest, it's outdated and, frankly, pretty boring. Our brains crave engagement, interaction, and a little bit of excitement. So what if we completely rethought how we teach and learn on video? What if we turned education into an adventure? It's time to ditch the digital chalkboard and explore some truly innovative formats that can transform learning from a passive chore into an active, unforgettable journey. Stick around because we're about to dive into the future of educational content. Trust me, it's anything but a lecture. Let's start by throwing out the rulebook and embracing our inner puzzle master. Imagine a history lesson presented as a digital escape room. Here, instead of just hearing about ancient civilizations, you're actively searching for clues hidden in virtual artifacts, deciphering hieroglyphics to unlock the next chamber, or solving riddles based on historical events to find the key. This isn't just watching, it's doing. Each puzzle you solve reinforces a key concept, making the information stick in a way a simple slide never could. Think about teaching chemistry by having viewers mix potions in a virtual lab to solve a mystery, or learning a new language by navigating a simulated city and talking to virtual characters to complete a quest. This format turns the viewer into a protagonist in their own learning story, making the process active and incredibly rewarding. The thrill of cracking the code makes the knowledge gained feel earned and much more memorable. Now let's take things a step further and get truly immersive with virtual and augmented reality. VR and AR are no longer just for gaming. They are revolutionary tools for education. Picture learning about the human body not from a textbook diagram, but by taking a virtual journey through the bloodstream, seeing red blood cells rush past you. Imagine studying astronomy by standing on the surface of Mars, looking up at its 2 moons, or walking through a bustling ancient Roman marketplace brought to life with AR on your own tabletop. These simulations provide a level of immersion and contextual understanding that's impossible to achieve with traditional video. You could practice complex surgical procedures in a risk-free virtual environment, or learn to repair a jet engine with AR overlays guiding your every move. It's the ultimate show don't tell approach, giving learners first-hand experience and a deep, intuitive grasp of subjects that can seem abstract or inaccessible on a flat screen. But what if you don't have a VR headset? You can still create incredibly engaging content by tapping into the oldest form of human connection, storytelling. Let's explore narrative-driven lessons. Instead of a dry explanation of the principles of physics, why not create a mini-series about a group of young scientists building a rocket to win a competition? Each episode could seamlessly weave in lessons on thrust, gravity, and aerodynamics as the characters face and overcome challenges. The emotional investment in the characters and their journey makes the viewer want to see what happens next, and in the process, they absorb the educational content effortlessly. This works for almost any subject. Gripping historical drama can teach you about a specific era far more effectively than a timeline. A mystery story can be the perfect vehicle for teaching critical thinking and deductive reasoning. By wrapping lessons in a compelling narrative with relatable characters and a clear plot, you create a binge-worthy educational experience. Finally, let's talk about the power of collaboration and real-time problem solving. Learning isn't a solo sport, so why should our videos treat it that way? Think about a live-streamed coding session where the host is building an app from scratch, but they're actively taking suggestions and debugging code with help from the live chat. The audience isn't just watching, they are co-creators. This format builds a powerful sense of community and shared discovery. You could host a live think tank to tackle a real-world business case study, with viewers contributing ideas and voting on the best strategies. Or, imagine a collaborative world-building project for a creative writing course, where the community decides on the geography, history, and culture of a fictional land in real time. This approach mirrors how problem-solving works in the real world. It's collaborative, and it's exciting. It shows that learning isn't about having all the answers, but about knowing how to work with others to find them. So let's recap this whirlwind tour of adventurous learning. We've seen how puzzle-based challenges can turn viewers into active participants. We've explored the breathtaking immersion of VR and AR simulations, we've uncovered the magnetic pull of narrative-driven lessons and the dynamic energy of collaborative real-time projects. What do all these formats have in common? They respect the learner. They understand that true education isn't about passively receiving information, but about actively constructing knowledge through experience, engagement, and even a little bit of fun. They move beyond memorization and foster critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. So, to all the content creators out there, I challenge you, step away from the slideshow. Think like a game designer, a storyteller, a simulation engineer. Let's make learning the grand adventure it's meant to be. The tools are here, the audience is ready, and the possibilities are limitless. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration into the future of educational content. If you're excited about these ideas and want to see more innovative approaches to learning, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. What's the most creative educational video you've ever seen? Drop a comment below and let's share some inspiration. Keep learning, and keep creating. Thanks for watching.